Hi. Our topic is about illustrating the limit laws. Let's begin. Here are the things that we should learn by the end of this lesson. Here are the basic limit results. First, the limit of x as x approaches c as c. Second, the limit of a constant is equal to the constant itself. Let us examine the given illustrations. Now, let us know more about the limit laws. The limit laws allow us to evaluate limits of functions directly. We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide the limits of functions as if we were performing the operations on the functions themselves to find the limit of the result. The first law is the sum law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of x plus x as x approaches 1. The resulting limit is 2. The second law is the difference law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of x minus x as x approaches 3. The resulting limit is 0. The third law is the constant multiple law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of 4x as x approaches 7. The resulting limit is 28. The fourth law is the product law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of quantity x plus 2 times quantity x minus 1 as x approaches 5. The resulting limit is 28. The fifth law is the quotient law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of quantity x squared all over x plus 3 as x approaches 1. The resulting limit is 1/4. The sixth law is the power law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of x cubed as x approaches 4. The resulting limit is 64. Finally, the seventh law is the root law for limits. For illustration, let us find the limit of square root of x as x approaches 5, and the limit of cube root of x squared as x approaches 4. The resulting limits are square root of 5 and 2 cube root of 2, respectively. For our last illustration, let us evaluate the limit of quantity 3x plus 1 as x approaches 5. To find the limit of the given function, we need to apply the limit laws several times. The table shows the step-by-step computation and the limit laws applied. Here are the limit laws to remember. Knowing the properties of limits allows us to compute limits directly. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.